Hey guys, so I thought I'd just make a quick video on how to change the front brake pads on a 15 Roughhouse 50. I haven't found one yet, so here we go. So, got a 12mm socket. I'm going to pop these two caliper bracket bolts off. Just a little bit of force on those bad boys. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, just slide it off like that. It's kind of hitting. I have my full stand up here, but just gotta wiggle this off. There we go. Yeah, my pads are pretty low. Alright, so I got, where are my new pads? I got these from, it says original parts, scooterdynasty.com. Alright, so I'm now to get these pads out. Alright, so how I got those pads out, I needed two hands. I just pushed this one in, plucked it out, and pulled that one out and plucked it out. Now I need to get I'll get my C-clamp. Alright, so I got the C-clamp on here. Put a little piece of paper so it doesn't damage the red paint. I typically put a file in there to compress the whole cylinder in like a car, but it doesn't, seems like you can't really fit it in there, so I'm just going to put it around the edge of that piston and it should be fine. I'm going to spin this lever right here and compress this all the way in, so bear with me. Alright, so it probably only took like 4 or 5 turns, but as you can see, the cylinder is flush with the caliper bracket, or caliper, so I'm going to take that off and then we're ready to put the new pads in. Alright, so quick update. I took off this third bolt here on the caliper, right there, which then allows me to slide out this entire bracket, I guess. And then I put the pads in by putting the top one in first and then the bottom over that clip. It's kind of a pain. I don't know what the engineers were thinking, but who knows who they are. Anyway, it's pretty much set to slap back in. So you slide this pin in. Hold on one second. Alright, fast forwarding a couple days, sorry about that. I had got a little frustrated putting it back together, and then it was dark when I had to reassemble it, so I couldn't shoot the video. So basically, I took this bracket off, as you saw in the past clip, and as you're putting it back together, you need to kind of squeeze it together, get it in there and finagle it, slide it over the rotor, hoping that the pads don't fall out of those sliders. It happened a couple times to me and it's frustrating, but eventually you'll get it. So yeah, just these two bolts I took off, and that one. I can't remember what I torqued these to. Maybe I did put blue Loctite back on these two bolts because they had blue Loctite on them when I took them off, just from factory. And honestly, this is kind of causes a lot of vibration and stress. So they're also grade 10, or not grade 10, like grade 8 metric bolts here. So I wanted them to be tight. I think I did about just under 20 foot-pounds. I'd have to check the specs again, but I believe that's what I did. So yeah, that worked, but definitely difficult. So thanks for watching and good luck.